Tip 1. Choose an activity-based cruise. Cruising can be an amazing adventure, but it becomes better when you join cruises that offer unique experiences like cooking classes, crafting, hiking, or even dance parties. These activities not only provide a chance to do something you love, but also open opportunities for meeting like-minded individuals. Tip 2. Research on the ship and its amenities. Knowing about the ship's facilities is crucial in determining whether the cruise will cater to your needs. This includes looking for features such as fitness centers, restaurants and bars, on-site shopping, entertainment facilities, and more. Equally essential, paying attention to the ship's accessibility features can help those with mobility concerns. Tip 3. Take advantage of single cabins. Many cruise ships are now offering single cabins, which can be a great choice for solo senior cruisers. They provide you with the privacy and independence you need while also ensuring that you can enjoy all cruise amenities. Tip 4. Book a guided tour or day trip. Some cruise companies offer day trips to the locations the ship stops at. These guided tours can be informative and a fun way to visit and explore cruise destinations safely. Tip 5. Strike a conversation with other passengers. Use mealtimes or social events on board as an opportunity to start a conversation with fellow passengers. You never know, you might find new friends or even meet someone special. Tip 6. Safeguard your health. It's crucial to have checkups before embarking on your trip to ensure that you're in good health. Having the necessary vaccinations and medical checkups is advisable. It's also worthwhile finding out if you can access any medical services on board if need be. Tip 7. Join group activities. Participate in the activities, games, and shows on the cruise. Not only will these keep you busy and entertained, but they're also a good way to mingle with your fellow passengers. Tip 8. Travel insurance is critical. Travel insurance covers unforeseen circumstances like medical emergencies and trip cancellation. This gives you peace of mind knowing that in the event of an unexpected problem, you are covered. Tip 9. Be safety conscious. Keep your belongings secure at all times. Also, always let someone know when you're going off board to explore. You should also adhere to the safety measures on the ship. Tip 10. Pack appropriately. Research the weather of your cruise destinations to pack suitable clothes. Also, some cruises have dress codes, especially for dinner, so ensure to pack an outfit for such occasions. Tip 11. Consider a themed cruise. Beguile your days with a themed cruise that interests you most. Be it a music genre, food, wine, art, or your favorite TV show, themed cruises have become increasingly popular and offer an exciting new experience.